Let's do Halloween treats.
Hi, Sari.
Hi.
So, what are you gonna do?
Make Halloween treats.
What treats are you making?
Monster donut.
A monster donut. So, we're gonna do marshmallow monsters as well.
Yeah.
Yum. What about these?
Finger.
Monster fingers. And
Uh,
I think that's for the dirt with worms. Creepy. And the last one would be
spider
a
web.
spider web. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's make the donut first.
Yes.
And who's your friend? Mr. Pumpkin?
No, Mr. Spooky.
Mr. Spooky! Okay, let's do the donut first. So what do you need?
A donut.
You need plain donut.
And put it right here.
Yep. What do you put in the donut?
A jelly.
That's a jam. Looks like blood. So where do you put it? It's in the middle. Will that look scary? Will that look scary? I hope so. What do you put?
A mouth.
It's like a vampire teeth. Put it. Let's try it in the middle. Ooh, it does look scary. Anything else that you need to put?
Eyes.
Eyes. I've got so many eyes. Can you show me the eye? That's a cute eyeball. Just one. How many eyes do you need?
2.
2?
Yeah. Also, you can pick 1 too. If you.
You can put just 1 or
2. Oh, 3.
or 3 to make it look like a
Monster.
monster. Oh wow, that is scary. And you've got finished products too. Look, he's got friends. That's really cute and funny.
There's some
Nice.
blood.
And there's blood. Looks like blood.
Dripping.
So what's the next one? After the donut monster, we're gonna do the
Marshmallow monsters.
marshmallow monsters. And look, what ingredients do you need?
Marshmallow eyes.
Googly eyes. And that's white chocolate. And what did we put?
Food coloring.
What color is it? Green. Will this be a very scary monster? We'll try to see. So he's gonna try to make some. So he's gonna try and make how many marshmallows?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
So Spooky's gonna help Sari. Dip, 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 dip.
Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip.
And is it turning into a green monster? Are you scared?
It's going to work. It's going to work.
Where is your monster? You wanna do it, Sari?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, it's your turn. So just spread the white chocolate. Try to wrap it. Wrap it. Spread it, spread it. This one's gonna look like a okay, so once you've wrapped the marshmallows, you want to put some decorated, put googly eyes.
Where you can put it? Anywhere else?
Okay. Ooh. That's cute. It's a gooey monster.
Gooey, gooey.
add more ice if you want.
There's more ice. And I put
In the middle. It's a scary
it
monster.
looks like an alien.
It does. That's really cool.
That's super cool.
It is super cool. Sari, what's the next one? It's the monster finger. So for this one, what do you need?
Chocolate
We've
and
got chocolate biscuits.
blood.
The blood is strawberry jam. And
Nails.
yeah, that's shaved almonds. Nice. I think this is gonna be very, very easy. Okay, so what do you need to do? So for this one, I think you will have to need an adult's help. So Spooky's gonna help Sari. So just cut the tip of the chocolate biscuit, just a little bit. So this will look like it's a cut finger. Look at that. Okay, and then what's the next step? What do you need to put?
Jam.
Yeah, we're gonna put jam,
Yep, some blood.
and that will create the
Blood.
blood effect. Just a little bit at the tip, so this will serve as your glue for the
Noose.
nails.
For the noose.
Ooh, look at that. Drop Sari. And then you're gonna put the
Noose.
nails. That's the shaved almonds. Details of your Halloween treat. Ooh, cool. That looks really cool
And scary.
and scary. Oh, look at that. Anything else that you need to do
Put blood here.
to make it more scarier? We're gonna put a little bit of blood,
Little blush.
just a little bit on the other end of the finger.
Maybe Mr. Spooky is excited.
He's excited. He is excited. I'm excited too. Now let's try to see what you guys made. Now, how many fingers do you have? Okay, just wait for Spooky. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little fingers. Can you count them again for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Because how many fingers do you have? 5. That is so cool. So the next one is, we're gonna make what? It's the dirt with worms. And what do we need for this one?
Soil.
So for the soil, that's just crushed Oreo biscuits, crushed biscuits. We've got custard,
Worm.
gummy worms,
And
can be googly eyes,
it can be insects.
and
Bugs.
we've got M&Ms with Halloween colors, and of course, to decorate your dirt, we've got, these are already pre-made biscuits with, it can be a ghost or like a tombstone. Okay, so what do we need to do first?
Put the soil.
So we've got cups here.
Yeah.
How many cups do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right.
5.
So we're gonna put the custard first. Spooky will help you.
Yum.
So when you do this one, it's better if you do it with an adult. Custard first.
Yum.
It does look yummy. You wanna do it, Sari?
Yeah.
Okay. Just put 2 spoonfuls. Nice, good job. Two more. And another one. Bring it closer. There you go. And then we're gonna put crushed keys.
Oil.
Crushed Oreo cookies, biscuits, just on top. Yeah, that's gonna look like the dirt. Look at that. And then what do we do next? We're gonna put the tombstones. Do you wanna do it, Sari? Just put.
I'm gonna pick the ghost.
Ooh, look at that. This one's a funny ghost. Nice, good job. Okay. And then you can decorate them with gummy worms or the Halloween colored M&Ms or the lolly googly eyes. Looks really nice.
Wait. I will put the eyeball.
I'm gonna put an eyeball.
I'm gonna put.
Maybe put the worm.
I'm gonna.
There you go. Ooh, look. Nice. This one says R.I.P.
R.I.P.
That is super cool. This one's really cool. So this is the last Halloween treat. Sari, what is this one?
Spider web with spiders.
It's a spider web. What are we gonna need for this one?
White chocolate.
Yes, we need white chocolates and biscuit sticks.
Biscuit stick.
For this one, we used white chocolate covered biscuit sticks to make it more realistic. Yeah, and then for the white chocolate, what you can do is to
Put spider.
melt white chocolate
And put spider.
in hot or warm water, and we're gonna use little fake spiders to make it more
Yeah.
realistic.
And also you can put M&Ms like flies.
Ooh, little flies. That's right. Okay, so what do we need to do with this one?
Tricky.
This will get a bit tricky. So Spooky is gonna try and help you. So you're just gonna
Scary.
create, yep, a star.
A star.
Okay, and then to make the web, we'll just put white chocolate around it.
Life.
I'm gonna make what shape? Circle. There you go. Spiral. Nice.
Nice, Mr. Spooky.
These are all easy to do Halloween treats, but you still need help, yeah?
Yeah.
From an adult. Nice. So that's gonna look like a spider web. I can smell it. It smells good.
Me too.
Yeah.
It smells good.
And to make it more realistic and fun, you put spiders. Wow!
I'm gonna put some bees.
And a fly. in a butterfly. That's it. Good job. Nice. Okay, Sari, so what have we made?
Halloween tree.
Different Halloween treats. They're easy to do Halloween treats. So, what do we have?
A
have-
spider web.
We have the monster donuts. They're like vampire donuts. We've got the marshmallow monsters. What's this? Dirt with worms
There's skeletons on it.
and tombstones. This one,
Finger.
monster fingers, scary monster fingers, and
A spider web.
a very scary but looks yummy spider web with spiders. Nice. It's so easy to do, right, Sari? So you can make all these treats for your Halloween party. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for watching. Try this. Yummy. Does it